Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to install a wiring harness that eliminates the hyperflash effect on your blinkers after installing LEDs. LEDs cause the circuit to have a lower resistance, which tricks the car's computer into thinking there's a bulb out. In modern cars, when there's a turn signal bulb out, the blinkers flash really fast to draw your attention to the faulty bulb, and this is what we call hyperflash. The wiring harness fixes that problem by adding resistance, and it's pretty simple to install, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Electric screwdriver, T10 Torx, and a flathead screwdriver. For this job, I also needed a hyperflash wiring harness. There are links in the description for everything I used. The wiring harness will be installed inside the dash just below the ignition, so we'll have to remove this lower trim panel. To start, pry off this cover for the interior air temperature sensor and remove the screw behind it. There's a cutout in the bottom center of the cover, just the right size for a flathead screwdriver. There's another screw behind these buttons on the left side. Squeeze the clip here and pull to remove. Then remove the screw. The last two screws are easier to get to. Pull on the edge of the panel to release the clips holding it in place. You could probably install the wiring harness now, but if you want to get the panel out of the way, you'll need to squeeze the sides of the temperature sensor and push it through from the back, then release the wire connection. Squeeze the clip to unplug this connection and install the wiring harness in line with it. You can use two hands if you want. Tuck the wiring harness up into the dash and clip the dash panel back into place, making sure you can reach the wires you'll need. Install the screws and reconnect the buttons. The air sensor is a tight fit, but it fits. Now go off and enjoy your LED turn signals that flash at a normal rate. I have videos on installing LEDs and all kinds of other stuff for this Corvette, so check those out too. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time. Just keep throwing money at it.